This should be our last project of the day. We put in some pieces to help. This is very slippery when it's wet. There's nothing to hang on to. I've slipped on it a couple of times while I'm walking down. We put in toe kicks, so it'll strengthen all the boards that are there. So we all got all new toe kicks. We got these little things here which will help with in case somebody slips, and that'll all get painted. They're just a feature to help you if your hand goes to slip. You got something to hang on to, something to grip onto. These get real slippery. So, and then, like I said, here is that's a motion activated light. Number 2, number 3, number 4 up there. So there's 4 motion activated lights when somebody's walking up or down at night on these steps. And again, all facing away from the turtles.